Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change background on messages on iPhone. So it is very easy. First of all, you need to go to the messages and choose the chat where you want to change the background. So for example, I'll go with this chat. And to change background here, all I have to do is to click on the name of the guy I'm chatting with, and here I will have info, backgrounds and links. I need to go to the backgrounds and simply choose the background I would like. I can choose the photo from my gallery. As you can see, there are suggested photos, or go with some color. As you can see, now I can customize the color: ice, plum, deep sea, whatever I want. And if I'm ready, I need to click on the tick button in the bottom right or in the top right corner. I can go with some other stuff like water, aurora. As you can see, I choose water now, light, dark water, etc. So basically that is how you can change the background in the messages on iPhone, and basically that's it. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.